Hey there, future finance pros. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your money management a breeze. Today, we're tackling something super important: how to activate your Aspire credit card for 2025. With new security features and easier access, getting your card up and running has never been simpler. Whether you're a first-time user or upgrading your account, this step-by-step guide will have you swiping in no time. So, grab your card and let's dive right in. First things first, once you receive your Aspire credit card in the mail, start by unboxing it carefully. Check for any activation codes or stickers on the card itself. These are key to the process. Next, head over to the official Aspire website or download the Aspire app on your smartphone. It's available for both iOS and Android, and the 2025 update makes it even more user-friendly with biometric login options. Now, log into your account using your registered email and password. If you haven't set up an account yet, take a quick minute to create one. It's straightforward and only requires basic info like your name and phone number. Once you're in, look for the Activate Card section, usually found on the dashboard or under Account Settings. Enter the unique activation code from your card, along with your card number and expiration date for verification. After that, you'll need to verify your identity. This might involve a quick SMS code sent to your phone or answering a few security questions. Aspire's 2025 enhancements include faster verification, so this should only take a few seconds. Hit the Confirm button, and voila, your card is activated. You'll get a confirmation email and maybe even a push notification if you're using the app. If you run into any hiccups, like an error message, don't panic. Double-check your details or contact Aspire's 24/7 customer support through their helpline or chat feature. Remember, activating your card is crucial for security and to start earning those rewards points right away. There you have it, folks. You're now all set to enjoy the perks of your Aspire credit card in 2025. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Stay savvy.